Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to rename multiple Excel worksheets, which can be quite tedious doing it one by one. So let's get in. What you want to do is open up a Microsoft Excel workbook, and here you can see I have listed all the names that I would like to enter as my sheets over here, right? My worksheets. So once we've done that, we also want to open the amount of worksheets that we need. So you can see over here, I've got these guys, and we're going to copy them and make sure that they are on our very first worksheet. So here we go, they're on worksheet number 1. And from here, we are going to go ahead and hold in Alt, and we're going to tap on F11. Now, this will open up the Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. Here you can navigate to your menu list and look for Insert. And on the drop-down menu, you're going to look for Module. From here, you are going to paste this bit of code, and just over here, you are going to put in a greater than and smaller than symbol, and you're going to hit space. Now, from here, we're going to go over to the left-hand side. We're going to hit File, and we're going to say Save Book 1. Now, this is the document that we're working with. From this window, we can now select the area or the file or folder that we would like to save our document in, and I'm going to select Downloads. I'm going to name this Book 11. I'm going to go over to Save as Type, and we're going to click on this. From the drop-down menu, you're going to look for Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook. That is what we're looking for. We're going to go ahead and tap on Save at the bottom of this window. Now, from here, we're going to go over again to File, and we're going to say Close and return to Microsoft Excel. Now, nothing has happened yet. The last step is holding in Alt and tapping F8. Now, as you can see over here, we have our workbook over here. It says Macros in and Workbook 11, and we're going to just tap on that rename, and we're going to tap on Run, and we are ready to go. You will see now that cars, animals, colors, and fruit has all been transferred to these worksheets at the bottom. We've now renamed them, and it may work a lot better if you have maybe 20 worksheets or 30 worksheets. You can just type it out all like this. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.